Welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and I decided to purchase this wig from Beauty Forever. Got it because I don't have a body wave unit and I wanted another headband wig, so I'm like, you know what, why not combine the two and let's make it short. I like how thick the strap is. There's plenty of combs. Okay, there's even adjustable straps. I mean, there's plenty on here to keep the wig on your head. Okay, so super simple, you know, already has the waves in it, so you get a little bit of, you know, something there. I think I'm going to add some curls to it. I like the way it falls. It's not touching my neck, and if you want to wear this for, you can go ahead and do so and not have to worry about your hair dipping into your greens while you bend it down to stir it, because it's short enough to not go there. And the headband is cute. The headband reminds me of Christmas, so this is right on time. Super simple, straight to the point. This came super fast. This doesn't have a chemical smell. I haven't washed it yet, but I plan to wash it. And depending on what I decide to do, I may or may not include more photos of this unit curled. But I'm just going to go ahead and add in some Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. The hair is long enough to know it's there, but short enough to not get caught on your lip gloss. And that is that. And that is that. All I need is earrings. So that's it for now. I'll talk, oh, before we even go, if you haven't already gave this video a thumbs up, please go ahead and do so. Go ahead and subscribe. This is Olena, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Super fast, quick, I will talk to you later, roses.